Can you go away? You make me nervous. Hello my friends, my name is Kendra Wilson. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is following on from the Plantifully Lean cookbook and going into week 2's meals. If you have not seen week 1's meal already, I'll pop a link in the description box below. I hope you enjoy. I'm just going to double the recipe for my husband and my kids. Now, I'm in Australia, so I don't know what poblano peppers are, but because they're peppers, I'm assuming that they're capsicum, and I am putting them under the grill, and then I'll stick them in a bag and sweat them and then peel the skins off. Show you the end result.
Super filling, lots of veggies. Maybe could have used some more salt and pepper, but that just might be my taste. Yeah, 6 out of 10, I think.
And it is filling like Dad said. Same as Dad, 6 out of 10.
Good work, Bing. What's your scathing review, mate?
I would say it has heaps of corn and it's literally so mushy. 3 out of 10.
Got the last dipper.
Hi my friends, just got back from the gym. It's 6:05. So on the menu for Monday was cheesy broccoli rice casserole, but it takes a little while and I haven't made the cheese sauce either. I was supposed to prep that yesterday, but didn't do it. So I'm going to skip ahead and do Wednesday's meal, which is the Thai coconut curry. So that'd be nice. We'll obviously swap out the mushrooms because my family are stinkers and they do not like mushrooms. So I'll put zucchini in instead. What do you think of that one, Bush?
Better than last night's. Lots more flavour. And not as mushy, so the texture's good.
Sunny!
I would have liked it a bit more spicy, but the kids probably wouldn't. And yeah, another positive is you can only one serving, super full. So good.
Bang on.
I reckon 7 out of 10.
Would you have that one again?
Yeah, I'd have this one again. I probably wouldn't have last night's again.
No, I agree.
This one I'd have again.
What's your thoughts, Vince?
I would say it's really good because I like when it's like rice and veggies and soup. Because then I just mix it up. I would rate it a 10 out of 10.
Ooh.
It's really
About
good.
you, Muffin?
I would rate it 9 out of 10.
Nice, Lex. I'm just serving myself up some seconds. That's how delicious this one is. This is the curry paste that I'm using. I only put a teaspoon in because my children are big wuss bags. I didn't feel too good tonight. I had some period pain, so I was in bed while Lee fed the kids, and I made some yummy lettuce wraps when I was feeling slightly better. It was good though because I got to use mushrooms because I love mushrooms, but and the kids do not like mushrooms. So I made enough for lunch the next day. Good evening, my friends. Please excuse this schmozzle. Tonight's dinner is turmeric roasted cauliflower with sweet potatoes. This was supposed to be last night's, but I was a little bit unwell. So we've got everything sorted at the moment. So I just made up a bit of a pesto hummus. I don't know, I just sort of made this one up with some chickpeas, basil and salt and lemon. And then I've got these chickpeas ready to go into the oven once these guys are out. So in the oven we've got our sweet potatoes roasting lovely and some cauliflower up here, and they are spiced with turmeric, a little bit of celery salt because I didn't have garlic salt, and lemon and caraway seeds. So tonight's dinner didn't go down as well as previous dinners. A bit of leftovers. What's your rating for tonight's dinner, mate?
I would say, I like the cauliflower. I had a chickpea and I didn't really like it. And I had some pumpkin.
Sweet potato, maybe?
Yeah, sweet potato. And I liked the first bit that I picked up, but not the second one. So I would rate it
Okay.
a 5 out of a 10.
Babe?
No good. Two out of 10. The pesto was good. If pesto was 8 out of 10, you could put that on bread or like a garlic bread, would be really good.
Well, thank you very much, because I made that up.
Oh, but yeah, 2 out of 10. If I have to eat like that, I don't want to eat anymore.
Brutal. What do you think, Missy?
I really like the chickpeas because they're nice and salty. I put some extra salt on them and crunchy flavoring. So I rate it, well, chickpeas 10 out of 10, but the whole meal probably 6 out of 10.
Please excuse my hair. I've just got back from the beach. Got a bit going on here. Let me show you. So I've got the rice cooker going. And then I needed to make a new batch of cheese sauce. So I've got that going in the Thermomix. And then on top, we're steaming the broccoli at the same time. Ooh, that's hot. Oh, look how sweaty it's getting under there. Maybe I should move that from out of there. Good afternoon, my loves. Today is easy enchiladas. Now, I have made this recipe the first week, but I didn't have all the ingredients, so I kind of substituted a lot of stuff and deviated from the original recipe. This time, however, I have got everything. I used these ones, refried beans from Coles. I've never actually used refried beans. I've always just used whole beans instead. So that should be nice. When I opened it, it did look like dog food. Not gonna lie. Tastes very delicious though. The fat content per 100 is less than 1 gram. Happy about that. This is also the salsa that I get because I find that it's the nicest one and it's the lowest in fat too. So it's the one from Woolies. And there's the fat content as well, 0.2. This one does have a tiny little bit of heat, mild heat. I think you can get it in medium as well. I mean, I would go hot as could be, but when you're cooking for children too, it's a bit tricky. Then I've got some leftover little street tortillas from Coles, and then I've got some big ones from Woolies. So we're just having the enchiladas with roasted zucchini, capsicum, and onion as well.
Oh, I'm not in it.
Me and Daddy are both finished. Absolutely smashed it. That was possibly my favourite Kiki meal out of the book so far. It's a little bit spicy. I don't know whether the kids have eaten theirs yet. But Dad and I smashed it. What was your thoughts on this one, Dada?
Yeah, my favourite too for the week. I've said it every time, but when these meals are super filling, you don't feel like you want to eat 2 servings. And yeah, a little bit spicy. I would like a bit more spice, maybe some jalapenos. But overall, we're talking 7/8 out of 10.
Yeah, nice one.
And I think it will be real good the next day.
Oh yeah.
Like a lasagna or a, shepherd's pie.
So I haven't had much of it yet because I just came.
Because you're slow poke.
No, because I just came. I think this is like 10 out of 10. This.
Good girl. Awesome. What do you think, Buds?
I think. Wait, I'm just gonna have a
Get
taste
some
of this.
this.
I'm just gonna have a taste of this.
All right. Holy. Hey, you've done good though. You've eaten all your veggies and everything. Is it a bit spicy? Maybe next time we could have some sour cream with it. Because I reckon we'll probably eat this one again. This one was really good. Can confirm leftover easy enchiladas is just as good the next day. Ooh-wee, such a nice lunch. We had a little bit of leftover of the broccoli and rice. Just paired it with some baked beans for little Miss Alexi Lulu. Nice leftover lunch, Lex.
Yeah, very hot.
Very hot. I might have put it in the microwave for a bit too long. Now, I'm assuming that this is a dupe of Taco Bell's Crunchwrap. So we've got our cashew sour cream, our lentil meat, assembly station. So we've got wheat tortillas, and then we've got corn tortillas, smaller ones. And they are in here getting crunched up. And I thought rather than putting it in a frying pan, I'm just going to pop it in the toasty. Oh, that's lovely and clean, isn't it? What did you think of that one, my men?
That one was,
I loved that one.
yeah, that was good.
I would rate it a 10 out of 10.
Oh my God, get your grubby mouth
Yeah,
away.
I say 8 out of 10.
It was,
An 8?
I loved
Yeah,
it.
I think
It
if
was
you
the
didn't
best one
have-
out of all of them.
If it wasn't with the kids, you'd put like jalapenos in it.
Well, the lentil mix that I used, I didn't put that in Vince's one because it had...
Oh, okay. I would have liked it a bit more
jalapeno.
spicier just because it's Mexican, but texture was good, crunchy, chewy.
How good's the different... Like, I've never used corn tortillas.
Yeah.
That would taste.
Yeah, 8 out of 10.
Like that one. Last two meals, the easy enchiladas and the crunch wrap. Bang on. Hey, mate. Do you reckon Lexi would have liked it? No?
She would have hated it. She would do a 0 out of 10.
I reckon she might have liked that one.
She would hate it.
Anyway, try that. That was delicious. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know in the comments which one you think that you'll be making yourselves. I personally enjoyed the enchiladas the best. That was my favourite meal. Be sure to check out week 1's meal plan as well. I'll pop that one in the description box below. And like and subscribe. Bye, guys.
Oh, we knew it.
Mess it up each time. I can't breathe. Can't say that for some reason.
Is it on?
It's on, baby.
Oh!
I can't get it in the camera. Can you tell it's school holidays? Maybe you should just do my outro, babe.